Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun shark video, I'll be showing you how to draw Cosmic Allen from Hungry Shark World. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our Cosmic Allen shark from Hungry Shark World. Let's begin right here with the eye. So I'm going to begin by just making a circle for his eye. So we're just going to kind of make that circle shape. Then I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of go up and down, and then another one. It's just going to go down and up right around the eye. Let's draw a little line above it. Make a little bump here, and then draw a little line underneath it. For the nose, let's make a little curve shape like this. And we'll just draw a little line that goes right around here. I'm going to draw a little line. It's just going to go up and down for part of the mouth. Then I'm going to make this line come over, and then we're just going to go up and around. We're going to bring this line up and make a little bump for the other part of the nose. We're going to come up and make a little point right there. We'll come up and make a bump and then draw a line, just kind of show where the other part of the eye is. Right here, let's just go down and then back up. And we'll put a nice big bump right here. Then we'll just connect it here. Now before we go any farther, let's come back down here towards the mouth. I'm going to make this little line. It's just going to go down and up. Make it come to a point, and then we're going to bring it back. We'll make one more that's going to curve up and then come down. Now starting back here, we're going to curve this down. We're going to make this line come out with a little bump. Make a nice big sharp tooth with some more sharp teeth. Little curve line here with some more little lines here. I'm going to make a sharp tooth right here. And then a couple more little sharp pointed teeth. I'm going to make this line come down. We're going to come up with a point and then another little point here to make it look like a forked tongue. We'll also put a little point back here. We're going to make a curved shape for the bottom of the mouth. And we're going to bring it up here. Then let's just curve around up to here for the jaw. Next, let's curve this around and bring it to here. And then we'll just add some little curve lines on here. Now let's come up here for the head. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up. And then we're just going to bring this back down. Then we'll put a little line right here. Give it a little bit of dimension. We're going to make a line here with some little V shapes on it. Now to make these little tentacles, let's just draw a line. So just going to kind of come up and around. We'll keep it nice and skinny and then bring it back to here. They'll make another one. It's just going to kind of come up here and then make it nice and skinny and then bring it back. Make a couple lines here and then we're just going to draw little lines right across the whole thing. And then same thing here, some little lines right across here. Then we're going to make like this little kind of broken circle shape because we're going to add some detail on there. Next, let's make some kind of pointed little jagged shapes right around here. So I'm just going to kind of go out and in and up. Out with a couple points. And then we're going to make a point and bring it to here. Now up here, I'm going to make this line that's going to come up to a point and then bring it down. We'll draw a line down here, and then we're going to make some little kind of like upside down V shapes. We'll make a little line here. Next, I'm going to make some little kind of more jagged pointy shapes right around here. And then right up to there. Now for the arm, starting here, let's just draw a line that comes in. Then we're going to curve a line right over to here and down. We're going to make some big points and another one here. We'll make a sharp point right here, and then we're going to make this kind of sharp, almost like claw shape. Make a couple points, and we'll make a couple little curved lines here. Let's bring this out to a sharp point, and then bring it up here. We're going to make a couple little triangle shapes right there. And then we'll add a couple little detail lines right here for like some muscles. I'm also going to add another little kind of sharp point right there. Now, starting up here, let's make a couple little curve points. And then right here, we're going to make a couple little bumps. I'm going to put a big triangle spike here. We'll make another little fatter one there. One here, and then one here. I'm going to do some little curved lines around here. And then we're just going to connect these lines here. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and down here. Then we're going to make another one that's going to come up. I'm going to make it out at an angle and then down. Then we'll put a little kind of curved line right across each one. Now right back here, we're going to make these little pointed curve shapes. Next, we're going to come back down to the arm. Let's kind of curve this line here. And we're going to make a line here with a few curves on top of it. Right along the arm here, we're going to make these little points. They're going to come down to about here and then bring them right towards the arm. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes here. And we're going to make these little kind of like pointed shapes right here to give it a little bit of texture. We'll do another little line here. Just kind of give it some detail. Now, right underneath here, we're going to make another little line. And I'm going to make this curved line here. Then we'll make these little curves right along here. I'm going to make this line come out here. And we're going to make this nice big point here. Then I'm going to make these little kind of bumps here, and I'm going to curve this line around and then bring it out to here. We're going to make a sharp point here, and then we're going to make some more little bumps. Right here, I'm going to make a point and then a sharp point for part of the tail. In each of these little bumps, let's go ahead and make some small spikes. And then we're going to do some here too. I'm going to make some points here. And then some little curves here. I'm going to make some little lines right around here. And some little curve shapes here. And just some extra little lines. We'll add a couple little lines on some of these spikes on here, just to give it a little bit of detail. Now, coming back up here, let's add some little details. Let's make some little lines kind of right around the mouth. We'll add a couple more here. We're going to add 1, 2, and then 3 little circles for some more eyes on here. And a couple little lines around the eyes. We're going to make a couple little extra lines on here. And I'm going to kind of outline this shape and then outline this shape too. We'll do some little detail lines on the fin. And then some extra little lines on here too. And then finally we can add some little lines on these spikes. And then the final thing I'm going to do is he has a couple more of these little kind of like tentacles coming out. So I'm going to add a little skinny tentacle here. And then a little skinny tentacle right here. And we'll add some little lines down. And little lines up there. And maybe a couple little lines on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Cosmic Alan from Hungry Shark World. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.